Using a Wells Fargo ATM is a convenient way to access your accounts for withdrawals, deposits, and other transactions. Here's how to use a Wells Fargo ATM. Insert card. Insert your Wells Fargo debit card into the card slot on the ATM with the Wells Fargo logo facing up and the chip facing towards you. Enter PIN. Use the keypad to enter your personal identification number. This is the same PIN you use for making purchases and other ATM transactions. Select transaction. Choose the type of transaction you want to perform, such as withdrawal, deposit, transfer, or balance inquiry from the options displayed on the screen. Follow prompts. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete your selected transaction. For withdrawals, you may need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Take your card and receipt. Once your transaction is complete, remove your card from the ATM and take any printed receipt if provided. Ensure you take your card to prevent it from being retained by the ATM. Secure your information. Always cover the keypad when entering your PIN and take precautions to protect your card and personal information.